Hello student, today we are going to learn Standard 8's second chapter 1.2 Dick Whittington and his cat. So this is the second part of this chapter. So let's start. Take him into the kitchen. Mr. Fitzwarren ordered the cook, feed him first and then find some work for him. So Mr. Fitzwarren ordered to his cook that feed him first and then find some work for him. So he was a kind man, he was gentle, and so he said that feed him first. The next passage. So Dick was given a home and a living. He had a small corner of the attic to sleep in, and his job was to help the cook with all the pots and pans in the kitchen. Dick's life should have been much better than before, but he still had two difficulties to face. So now Dick had a room for sleep. Now Dick had work, and he had a home for living. So, and his job was help cook with all the pots and pan in the kitchen. So here the word attic means very small room inside a pointed roof. एक ट्रायंगुलर टाइप की रूम होती है, बिल्कुल छोटी सी जगह होती है यहाँ, बट फॉर वन मैन दैट प्लेस वॉज इनफ. Dick's life should have been much better than before. Now Dick's life was should have been much better than before, but he still had two difficulties to face. Now, but he had two difficulty that he was faces. The first was that the attic he slept in was overrun by rats and mice. The first one is that attic he slept in was overrun rats and mice. Here the rats and mice, because rats and mice different in shape and color. At night they scamper all over him and kept him awake. At night जब वो सोता था, they were camper means here ran here and there, इधर उधर वो भागते थे and kept him awake. After a time he solved his problem by saving the few pennies he was paid and buying himself a cat. But after some time he solved this problem because he saved a few pennies and bought a cat. Here the pennies means the currency in the coin of British coin, and in no time at all that cat chased away all the rats and mice, and that cat he was bought for him. So that cat chased away rats and mice. Dick was able to sleep peacefully. Now Dick was able to sleep. The other difficulty was not so easy to overcome, was a cook's bad temper. So other difficulty was not too easy to overcome. Here the easy to overcome means succeed in dealing with a problem. So other difficulty that here the cook he was a bad temper. अच्छी नहीं थी, सॉरी she was a bad temper. वो कुक जो थी वो अच्छी नहीं थी. She shouted and screamed all day. She all time shouted and screamed because वो उसे पसंद नहीं करती होगी डिक को, and would scold Dick and hit him with a wooden spoon. और उसे मारती भी थी wooden spoon के साथ. Even when he was working as hard as he could. और तभी भी जब वो अच्छे से वर्क करता था, काम करता था. One night Dick decided he could stand it no more. Early the next morning, before the cook was up, he set out with his cat to seek his fortune elsewhere. Now, one night Dick decided that now he didn't want to live here, and early the next morning, before the cook was up, he goes he set out with his cat and seek his fortune elsewhere. अलग वो अपनी जो फॉर्चून है वो ढूंढने के लिए गया था, निकल पड़ा. द टू ऑफ देम वॉक एज फार एज हॉलीवे. बहुत दूर वो चलते रहे और हॉलीवे तक पहुंच गए. ऑन देयर वे आउट ऑफ लंडन देन डिक सैट डाउन ऑन द स्टोन टू रेस्ट. And when he was a little bit tired, so he sat on the stone for rest. It was the 1st of November. That day was 1st of November, All Saints Day. Which day? All Saints Day. And the church bell were ringing. As Dick sat and listened, it seemed they were ringing out a message for him. So there were the church bell were ringing and some message for him. Which message? Turn again Whittington, thou worthy citizen, Lord Mayor of London. मतलब go back Whittington. वही अगर जाओगे, वही अगर अपना फॉर्चून ढूंढोगे, सो एक दिन तुम मेयर बनोगे. लॉर्ड मेयर ऑफ लंडन. What? Lord Mayor of London? A big question, said Dick. I should like to be Lord Mayor. Lord Mayor किससे बनना? Lord Mayor जो है वो बहुत ऊंचा पद होता है. So ये किसे बनना पसंद नहीं है. So ride in a fine coach. I can put up with a few scolding from the cook if that is what is in store for me. So ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. पुट अप विथ मीन्स हियर द पुट अप विथ मीन्स टॉलरेट. तो इसके लिए मैं थोड़ा टॉलरेट से सकता हूँ फॉर लॉर्ड मेयर. सो डिक एंड हिज कैट रिट्रैक्टेड देयर स्टेप टू मिस्टर फिजवेरेंस हाउस. लकीली दे वर एबल टू स्लीप बैक बिफोर दे हैड बीन मिस. सो तब जब तक वो गया हाउस उस मिस्टर फिजवेरेंस के, लकीली दे वेयर एबल टू स्लीप, सो गए थे. नाउ मिस्टर फिजवेरन यूज टू सेंड शिप फार अक्रॉस द सी. हियर द लास्ट पैसेज इट्स टेल इट्स सेम हस अबाउट मिस्टर फिजवेरन्स बिजनेस बिकॉज ही वॉज रिच मर्चेंट. सो यूज टू सेंड शिप्स far across the sea to trade with other countries. He sent ships other countries. He would load a ship with goods for a captain and ship's crew to sail in faraway places. और कुछ सामान भेजते थे, मर्चेंट था इसलिए. and far away then they would bring back goods that could be sold at home. कुछ सामान बेचते थे, खरीदते थे. वो मर्चेंट है तो उनका वो बिजनेस था. सो दिस इज द सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स.